Chuffed review, my honest experience with this crowdfunding platform. Crowdfunding platforms are everywhere, but few are truly focused on social causes. That's why I decided to try Chuffed, a fundraising platform built specifically for charities, non-profits, and community-driven projects. Here's my honest review. Chuffed sets itself apart from platforms like Crowdfunding by focusing entirely on social impact. Whether you're raising money for humanitarian aid, animal welfare, or local initiatives, it's designed to make ethical fundraising simple and transparent. Most people get this wrong. They think crowdfunding is just about collecting donations. But with Chuffed, storytelling matters. Platform helps you create visually appealing pages with strong narratives that connect emotionally with donors. Setting up a campaign took less than 10 minutes. You add your goal, upload images, and share your mission. I loved that Chuffed doesn't charge platform fees for most campaigns, meaning more of your funds go directly to your cause. One highlight is its support team. They offer coaching and guidance on how to market your campaign effectively, which can make a huge difference in your fundraising success. The only drawback? Its reach isn't as massive as global platforms, so promotion depends heavily on your own network and social media. Overall, Chuffed is a fantastic platform if your goal is impact, not profit. It's ethical, transparent, and built for change makers who truly want to make a difference.